Fast plants are related to cabbage, turnip, broccoli, and other crucifers.
Okay, so right now we are all in the lab and we are all looking at these plants, bean and corn, and those are fast plants.
What I'm doing is I'm drawing my scientific observations of this bean plant. I know it has really scraggly lines, and that means it's a dicot I'm in. And I'm just drawing my observations for my scientific drawings. Yep, it is definitely a dicot.
It has holes in it because it's because the caterpillars that live on it eat the leaves. There's some holes that are eaten by caterpillars. Here's some more, and then there's some on this leaf. There's one right there.
I'm working on drawing a picture of this bean plant over here, and I started off by kind of like drawing the roots, and me and Lily here are kind of, this one is it's kind of dying, so we're kind of just trying to like get them in front of it, and we can see the roots from here, so we're trying to get them in, and we're trying to see if there's any like part of here in the corn that's growing.
Right there we found some mold right there, and then we found some green stuff right there, and so maybe we should observe further to see what that is.
Notice that this is a dicot because there's a bunch of different patterns on the leaf, and if they were all straight, it would be a monocot, and the roots are straight. This is turning all yellow. This isn't really meeting the colors, and this is kind of breaking up because plants need to be healthy just like us, and they're not getting their nutrients enough, so they're not being able to live strong lives.
What we're doing is we are drawing pictures of the plants, and we are studying the plants, and we are documenting our findings.
There is larvae on it, and they're eating all the leaves, and then the larvae will get bigger and bigger, and then will turn into a white cabbage butterfly. And so, as you can see, the leaves are starting to crinkle up.
I am drawing a picture of the fast plant, and I'm writing about it. And so I'm just like explaining like the details of what it looks like, and I'm gonna explain like how fast it grows, or if it's like a monocot or a dicot, and like same with like the leaves and the roots.
Just found a white cabbage butterfly larva, and I was kind of looking around, and we found it. So it's pretty small. It's kind of hard to tell where it is. It's right here. And it's been eating a lot and a lot. There's a lot of holes and a lot of frass, so it's growing. I think it's in its first stage.
The larva grows by instars, and what an instar is technically a stage of life. So how we have toddlers, or babies, toddlers, preschoolers, and school-age kids, larvas have similar things, or similar ages, but theirs are called instars, and there are 5 different instars.